Hi guys, so you can just see my little teddy right here. It's 7:44 and I actually got up at 7:30, so yeah. For some reason it's not wanting to focus. Anyway, so here's my chocolate. And then here's the little thing it says, let it snow. So, yep. So good. There. Hi guys, so I'm dressed now and this is what it's like outside. And I'm actually in my panda socks and stuff right now. And I've still gotta brush my hair and get on some perfume and some deodorant, and then I will see you in a moment. I have college today. It's my last day of work experience. I'm in my Christmas jumper, sorry. And then tomorrow is my last day of work experience. So yeah, today's my last day of college and tomorrow's my last day of work experience. So yeah. I'm waiting, it's 8:39 and I'm waiting for my nephew, my 2-year-old little great nephew, to come over because yeah, I really want to play with him. So yeah, the last bit of my vlog will probably be when he arrived. So yeah.
Yeah, that's come off. Are you having that one on? No.
Ouch.
300 presents.
300 presents? That's a bit OCD, isn't it?
Silly bit.
That's a bit OCD, isn't it?
You can't even see 3, look.
I won't be bothered about all that, lot.
How many children does she have?
Not her.
It's a bit obsessive, isn't it, Rosa?
Bit OCD, isn't it?
Yeah. All that money on 300 Christmas presents.
It's not that stupid, isn't it?
Supposed to load him up with soil or rubble. Hey! Yay!
What you playing with, Ted? Cars? Cars?
Well, we've opened 1,600 children yesterday, screaming. It's fantastic. It's very noisy. It's fantastic. I'm loving it. John Thompson's a dream. Ben Adams from A1 is just gorgeous to look at. Eric Potts, one of the best names in the business. I mean, it's been fantastic.
Oh. Hey guys. So I've been back from college for a little while now. It's 4:48, and it's dark outside. Like, you can see some lights like around the street, and over there, if you can see that blue bit, but they've got a Christmas tree up there, and yeah, my 2-year-old nephew has gone home, and he took his Christmas presents with him, and yeah, my parents are gone shopping right now, and I've had a snack, and I've not yet watched TV, but I'm gonna be watching YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna like tidy up a little bit, and then after I've done that, then I will be watching TV. I'm probably having tea. So yeah, that's my plans. So see you. Alright, now I'm watching Blue Peter. It's nearly finished, and the tree's on. So I'll be going to bed soon because it's nearly 9 o'clock. So I'll be going to bed soon. So yeah, got my niece left her panda here. So yeah, her little panda teddy. I still got loads of presents here, and then loads of presents here, and some wrapping paper. And yeah. Well, I'm off to bed now. Wow, turn that on first. Hey guys, so as you can probably tell, I have a sore throat, and it's not good. I also have a cough as well. I turned off my TV and I left that little light on over there, but I really need to turn it off soon, so I will be doing that shortly. Sorry guys. My vlog is longer today, which is good, and yeah, I gotta go because I'm gonna be watching Netflix, and I'm gonna edit, and I'm gonna be editing this vlog, and then I will see you tomorrow. Good night, everyone.